Xin Chao, what's up everybody? Alright, so we're back on it with the streets of Saigon. Before we get to the video, I would appreciate it if you could go over to the new channel, which is the IRL live streaming channel. I want to keep things separate. You know, they don't like it. YouTube doesn't like live streaming. I had significant performance dips when I was live streaming a lot on YouTube, so we just want to keep it separate as well. We're already to 600, we got 400 more to go. I've been setting up all the equipment at home to do live streams. We're still going to have regular YouTube content, but on top of that, I'm going to be live streaming from at home all the time, and then when I can go out and stream, we'll do that as well. So yeah, if you enjoy this video, at the end of it, there's a like button that goes up. You can smash it if you want. If you don't like it, you can smash it down. If you want to comment, you can comment. And if you haven't subscribed, what do you think? Get on it. Let's see them subs, baby. We should be to 12,000 pretty quick here, so we're getting decent sub growth again. So channel is on a pretty uptick right now. Views are up, everything's up. So yeah. So as you can see, completely dead down here. We're gonna go for a tour. I'm gonna take you around. I think we're gonna do District 1 today, and we'll do a different district tomorrow. It's been trying to rain all day, so yeah. It has been raining all day, not trying. So I had to wait and get out, and we had a good opportunity to. Pro tip, don't ride with things in your pocket. Things can fall out. We're gonna take it pretty slow. The amount of quietness on this street is pretty insane. Japantown is pretty dead. There's just nothing going on. I mean, it's, as you can see, it's just security that's really out. A couple of vendors. You got a cigarette lady over here. You got Pastor over here. Great bar, great staff. Let's see if my buddy is there. 5Q looks like they're taking takeaway. I mean, this is a Sunday, and usually on a Sunday, traffic's pretty heavy, almost all day long. As you can see, the traffic doesn't exist right now. It just doesn't exist. As I've said before, there's no mandatory stay at home still. It is recommended. You're allowed to go out, socially distance. I'm out running errands, grocery stores, things like this after we shoot this video. Vincom Center all closed up. Everything's closed up. Hopefully we're not getting any water on the lens. I'll have to check it periodically. Can't let water ruin a video. You guys don't mind me checking it anyways. It's like kind of starting to light rain again. I got my rain jacket. I'm hoping we can get through 20 minutes at least. Try not to jerk my head too fast. We're on the old Sony X3000. So now we're up on Windway. Let's take a lap around Windway, and then we'll head down towards Weaving. Out for a walk to get some exercise. Oh, there's a other live streamer dude. It's Pat, the German guy. I bet he's going home too. All these tourist visa guys are on their way out. I saw he's been hanging out with Jerry. That's a mistake on his part. I don't know how many are going to be gone, but end of the month, halfway into next month, I think you'll see quite a few travel visa tourist YouTubers gone. Just completely gone. Look at it. Windway is completely empty. he had the IRL bag. I just don't see how making a purchase for old equipment is viable anymore, and it's expensive at that. I mean, they're using a shit camera. It's the 720p version of the X3000. I would just use a phone until 5G comes out. Once 5G's out, you know, you'll be able to live stream IRL in 1080p, no problem. I couldn't see buying the IRL backpack as an investment right now. I miss Twitch, but at the same time, I don't miss Twitch at all. Not even like a little. I mean, it was cool, but like, it was super time consuming, and it took away from my YouTube channel. Oh, got a raindrop or two. Come on, don't rain. Give me a little bit of time here. I've never had a conversation with It's Pat. He's I think a German live streamer. I've seen him coming and going and said hello, but that's the extent. He rated my channel on Twitch a couple times, and then I rated his. That's the extent of my knowledge on him. Seems like a very nice guy though. Unlike some other Twitch streamers we know that, yeah, that want you to believe that. It's easy to put on an act when you're on camera. I'm seeing if we can get him on camera. So we'll go over to we'll go by Benthon real quick, then Boy Vane, and then we'll maybe go to District 4 and check out by the where like the expat area is there in District 4. Yeah, I think we're on the last few weeks for the tourist visa guys, so their time is up, which is unfortunate. I have no problem or beef with any of them whatsoever. You know, Vietnam allowed you to extend your tourist visa for years. Like, yes, were they a bit naive, but it was how business was run forever. So like, we're talking 10 years you could do that. I know people that are on tourist visas for 5 years. And you know, the visa agent makes it seem like it's a normal thing to do. So like, if you don't check and you're naive and you trust your visa agent and they just keep telling you it's okay to do that, you're gonna do it. I think they're just doing it for save face and to look good during the fourth wave. I think you'll see business is back to normal after this fourth wave's over. We gotta check the lens pretty quick here. So as you can see, Benthon, everything's closed up. As to be expected though. And you're not going to make any money off Benthon right now. These few ones on the outside will, because some Vietnamese passing by might buy some fruit or some, you know, set price clothing, things like this. I think my buddy told me this is going to be a hotel, like a Hilton or something. I don't quote me on that, I don't know. Maybe if you're watching, Johnny boy, you can confirm that's what that is. I think that's what he told me it was. That's the subway you're looking at right there. And they got this shit all tore up. This is new. I wonder when they did all this. I was just down here. We'll check the lens in a minute here. Gotta make sure we gooch on that lens. It's starting to pick up rain now. Come on, don't rain. We'll get to Boy Vane and then check the... Oh, that white guy's sitting next to the, like, park druggie girl. She's like a meth head. She's been living in this park since I've been here. Fuck the rain, come on. raining all day. I waited all day to come out, and now it's got to choose to rain. So today is like a special shopping day online. Like there's big discounts. Everything's sold out. Like shit is selling. People are buying computers again, TVs, you know, workout equipment, kettlebells. I wanted to pick up more workout equipment. It's all like sold out. Because I know I'm not going to be able to see the gym, and I'm not going to lose all the gains I made in the gym. So we'll check the camera up here for water droplets. There's a Lee's Boo closed up. I don't know how long these big places will make it closed like this. This guy's going to want to sell me cocaine. You can see he's got the, you want the cocaine? He wants to sell me cocaine. They all want to sell me cocaine. Oh, that's a homeless expat. Sucks for him. How is he here still? He probably can't afford an exit flight either. They all want to sell me drugs, all these people. Pretty awesome. What do we got here? So this is the old crazy horse, buffalo, whatever, over here. This lady's been here since forever. She never goes anywhere. The hoon lady stays a hoonin'. Hold on, let's check this. I want to check the camera. I should have just brought a towel with me to wipe it. Hopefully there's nothing on it. I'm still good. Alright, cool. I hope the camera angle's right too. I had to retake it apart and put it back together, so. There's HSBC. Very expensive ATM if you don't have HSBC. You're best to get set up on a bank account right away here, unless you have like a Charles Schwab, which is pretty difficult to get now, as you have to have really good credit, and they do a credit check before you open. But almost any American bank is going to charge you insane transaction fees, foreign transaction fees. I move everything from my American bank to my Vietnamese account. And they made changes on the banking too. Like, you used to just be able to open a banking here. Now, well, everything's closed. Lots of places are real closed. Everyone's going to swing in here when they shouldn't be. This place stopped construction. Tattoo place closed up now. I don't see the tattoo place making it. Again, Baba's is going to be open because Baba's will be open because people eat at Baba's all the time. They have a strong following. Anyone that knows Indian food knows it's by far the best Indian food in all of Saigon. Now we get to see some new stuff we don't see on the walks. I wonder how Nee Cafe's doing. She's still here? She's still hanging in there? Cafe Nee. Yeah, still there. Good for her. Yep. And the banh mi lady there is still there. Good. There's a good bun bow place here in the morning. Looks like they closed it though. Wow, they did. Where's the free? One of these gives away food to homeless people. I can't tell because it's all like closed up. That's new. That nail place is new. This is the seafood place. I kind of want to stop in here real quick. Let's take a look. I want to see if they have. Real quick, I want to see if they have red crab. There's like a shortage on it. We like to have it like once a week. We got like the mantis ones that are really good. Wow, they're right. There are no. Oh, right, look at this king crab. 2.5 kg. That is a big king crab, man. I think probably weighs 3 or 4 kg, so $300 crab. Got some big lobsters. Yeah, no red crab. It's all just blue in the regular ones. Yeah, just the regular ones. After you have the red crab, the rainbow crab, it's tough to go back. You got some fish. So yeah, the seafood's just low in stock. I think it's, you know, COVID effect, of course. That was interesting. Okay, let's pop down over here by my old area. We're gonna try to go all over. Let me check the... Sorry, but I gotta keep checking the camera. I made a tactical error by not bringing just a towel that I can knowingly wipe. All right, we're good. 16 minutes into this journey. Don't get dizzy on me. Yeah, I could edit that out, but I probably won't. We'll see, maybe I'll edit it. I do like the natural raw style of vlogging quite very much. Every YouTuber thinks they have to super edit, get super awesome equipment, all these things. Really, that's just not that true, as I am demonstrating with my channel. We're gonna get that 100,000 subs this year yet. I love fucking trolling. So this is the fruit lady. Is she still out here? She lives here. Yeah, she's out here still sleeping here every night. She's a trooper, man. Got some noodle places over here. So this place is real interesting. Let's stop real quick and I'll talk about it. So this Noodle Place. This place is, I've never seen this really outside of Korea, but it's a restaurant with like super hot chicks and aliyahs, like kind of like the hot massage chicks from Japantown, and like rich business dudes come here and they have dinner in like private rooms with them. Who knows what goes on? Where else was it? Where was the, I think the hot talk's gone though. There was a real big famous Korean hot talk. I think one of these. Yeah, I think where this Bo Boutique place is now was a huge Korean hot talk. And that means, you know, they would bring Koreans straight off the plane and you would go there and you'd get a BJ. Pretty much just a BJ paid service. Again, also never tried that. Not really in my wheelhouse. So let's see what's going on down here. It's kind of great with all this no traffic. I could stop and explain a lot of this stuff to you guys. Hopefully the camera angle's good. My orange juice lady. Hi, Sinchao! My old place down here. Oh, they put a little retaining wall up. Every time I'm down here, I go and give her 50 to 100K. It's my old Mart. Let's go down here. I wonder if this Italian place made it. So I also get juice from this lady's. Juice is pretty good too. Graffiti is just popping up aggressively because of the COVID. I think I went the wrong way. I didn't go the way I wanted to go. Right? Or did I? So this is the Noodle Place. Yeah, this is the famous Noodle Place. That's the lady there, master of the... Xin chào. Hello. She remembers me. By far the best cold noodles. And why does this look so different? One street ahead. Got a little bit dyslexic. All gas, no brakes, baby. He's got to get them deliveries. It through the streets. See how the skate shop's doing. I'm curious on how all these things are business wise. If I needed a juice, I would stop and have a juice, but I don't need one. Maybe I'll stop by later tomorrow, give him 100K, get an orange juice. Have my minimal language skills and be in conversation with them. Okay, so this is where I want to be. This down here, there's a Family Mart. So of course the fried banana is crushing. You know, that's an easy takeaway. That's a pho place, isn't it? I'm curious about the Italian. It had actually really good pizza. Winnie just didn't like it. Let's take our time. I don't want to pass it. Did we already pass it? I think it's gone. Oh, Mr. Lee's, here it is. Oh shit, he is. Mr. Lee didn't make it. He's got the for rents. To be honest with you, it wasn't. Oh no, he's open. Good. Open for takeaway or delivery, thank you. 10% off. Okay, cool, man. Here's the skate shop. These kids smoke weed out here all the time. It's like some kids own it. Yeah, they're in there. Cool, hip kids. Here's this Family Mart. This is actually a really good. Ciao. What's up? It's actually a really good Family Mart over here. Oh, this was a banh mi place. That's gone. This was a pretty decent quick banh mi delivery place. I can just go. No point waiting. Dambi! And then there's this Circle K that's new, but this Family Mart's lit. They got a lot of stuff there. So, restaurant. Bookstore. Oh, I don't remember that bookstore being there. There's a big gym here. Closed. Good police station. Where do I want to go? Let's go this way. There's the Pullman. Taking it to the streets. The amount of closed stuff is just... It looks just like 10. I've said it a million times, I'll say it again. I don't remember this place. Sassin? What is this? I don't remember that. Usually this seafood market has all the seafood. It was shocking to see it so not full of seafood. Big booty! Samsung store. Taking it to the streets. As you can see, I drive like an old man. I'm in no hurry to go anywhere. We got some more rain droplets. tattoos in all the right areas, signifying possible bar girl. So much empty shit. Die. I forgot what this is. Something government, but I forgot what it is. Taking it to the street. Now I wanted to go over to District 4. Before we do that, let me check my helmet. And then we'll jump back and then we'll go over to District 4. Let's see. All these guys are like looking at me. They're like, what the fuck's this kid doing? Still good? Good to hear. Okay. I don't know what's vibrating. I'm gonna have to check. It sounds like the radiator shield is vibrating. First time riding a bike in a month or longer. Taxi driver. Asshole. Cooper S. I don't know what Mini's import rule is. Few manufacturers, it's almost the same prices where you would find in your country, and then a bunch, not so much. It's like double the price. I think Suzuki is the normal price. Mitsubishi is the normal price. Toyota, normal price. Kia, normal price. And then the rest, anything else, the rest is all not normal price. Okay, now we're over to District 4. Just kind of curious to see what it looks like. The thing that sucks about kicking the tourist out, tourist visas, is it's going to hurt a lot of landlords too. There's a lot of these guys, you know, there aren't too many short-term leases in Saigon anymore. When I first got here, 6 months was going out the window. And if you did get a 6 months, you were paying 20% more than what if you would pay to do a year lease. So a lot of these guys have year leases. And they might be 3 months in, they're gonna lose their deposit. Landlord's gonna lose the rent. I need a drink, my mouth, my throat. Now we're in District 4. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. This is like the little party planning place. Motorbike hottie? I think so. Let's go next to it. Going through. Oh, no further investigation. Plaza, which really has nothing in it. It's a big golden something. It's a big expat apartment. I hated it. You got to wait 10 minutes to get on an elevator every time, and there's 90 people on an elevator. You got the Grand Manor up here. It's a slightly newer building. People tend to move out of it right away, though. Got booty, that's for sure. got the need for speed. I've talked about it before, it's easier to go fast on a scooter because it's just gas and it's lighter. You feel the speed more on a motorcycle, a sport bike. Because you gotta shift through the gears and all that stuff. Taking it to the streets. A little busier down here, right? I think we can go to District 7 from here. Or District, yeah, 7. I think that might be a ways back, actually. Let's see if I'm right or not. Yeah, I'm right. Hey! Hey, Yahtzee! I'm gonna buy some medicine from my trusted source. Nexium. A lot of places have been overcharging for it, so we'll go swing down here into D7, flip a U-turn, and then go check. Ontario. Never had it. Is it good? Comment section? I'm sure somebody's eating it. So now we're in District 4, which is supposed to be the Gangster District. I don't find anything too gangster about it anymore. It's one of the more dangerous districts, supposedly. I think that used to be more so than it is now. There's the Domino's Pizza. Oh, wow, they got like little signs and shit. There's all the Domino's guys. So now we're heading over towards District 7 where the Lotte Mart is. You can flip a U-turn up here, catch some serious speed. Done this before, but it's nothing too incredibly new. We covered a lot of districts. 1, 4, 7. Pretty fun. Pretty good moto vlog, I must say myself, eh? Holster, and as you can see, you can just rip it. Nice little pull. points perfectly. It's got a shift light, and you ride about a quarter second into the shift light before you hit a red line. You're bouncing off the limiter. We had not one limiter bounce on that. I'm telling you, 150 cc's is pretty much all you need. It's pretty fun. That's pretty, I don't need to go faster than that, ever. And there's nowhere to go fast. It's like one of the few spots around my area where you can really click off some quick speed. This is normally a disaster area for traffic up here in District 4. We're in again. A little bit more lively in this district because, yeah, got a lot more things open than others. The more like inside of an all-Viet neighborhood that doesn't have many Westerners, that's what I mean by that, the more you'll find kind of rules being not followed as closely. Although the same can be said on expat stuff too. Expat areas. So if you get sick now with like a cold and you have cold-like symptoms, they will have to report you to the government if you come and buy a cold medicine or anything with a fever. Pretty interesting, huh? So yeah, don't get any cold and flu medicine right now.
Chị ơi, bé nó thành sốt không? Có bị sốt.
This place is usually about 60% cheaper than everywhere else. Queuing up. Nexium 40 milligram.
Chị 2 ngày 36.
Let's see what the price is now. Used to be 220 or 240. Let's see what it is now. One box. How much is one box? No, the whole box. $220 to $260, depending on which place down here. And then in my area, at Vinhomes, it's $540. So, like as you can see, huge price difference. So I come down here and buy 2 boxes, which is like 2 months worth. AstraZeneca.
2 ngày 6 lần cái gì chia ra, đậu mà chia.
They're debating the price right now. Yes, that's the phone.
Hai liều thuốc chức năng cho em bé. Mấy tuổi anh? 6 tuổi.
2 boxes.
8 tuổi hả?
2 boxes, yeah. One more box too.
Mấy bao nhiêu ký anh?
Huh? You only have one?
Khoảng 40.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. That one's fine. 280. So they're right in line with what it should be. Again, that would be 550 to 600 around my area. Yes, phone.
6 tuổi 30 kg. Một ngày đúng không anh? Ta là uống.
Mới 2 lần thôi.
2 lần thôi.
Hộp không hả? Nó đang khóc quá, nó đau quá.
Okay, so that's not bad. Maybe we'll stop at the other lady as well. Come on, G. Okay. We got one errand done. Let me check the camera and the battery as well, my friends. I figured why take out the pharmacy. Now you can kind of see how a pharmacy works. I've never seen how one works. Alright, we're still good. Still got half the battery, so hopefully I'll hear it if it dings off, but I'll just keep checking it. Alright, so as you can see, medicines vary in price and where you're living and where you buy them at. People like to say that they're fake at these places. Total horseshit. That's just made up rumors. These places aren't in business to sell you fake shit that's not going to work, or nobody would come back and repeat buy stuff. So the whole you're buying fake medicine at these, that's smoke and mirrors. That's fake news. Okay, about 40 minutes we're at. It's gonna be a long one. Maybe I'll do a premiere with you guys with this one, and we can all talk for an hour. Everything's in the bag. Never carry stuff in your pockets. Yeah, we'll check out the other pharmacy as well. See if we can't score another box, and then I don't have to worry about it for 2 months. As you can see, everything's open in here pretty much. Business as usual. Yeah, as I said, sometimes when you get in these real all Vietnam pockets where there aren't any Westerners or other people, it's kind of just business as normal. As you can see, this looks pretty normal how this usually is. That's good to see. This is like a little mini food street, but it's mainly like fried things. I haven't come here to do a street food vlog yet, but after the COVID wave I do. It's a lot of fried goods. Like a lot of fried goods. Taking it to the streets. It's good to do a moto vlog. It's good to ride. Traffic's not bad. It's like traffic wise too. So I mean, you look at all the stuff open. You've got business as normal right here, right now. Right here, right now. Clothing shops open. All this stuff open. Cell phone, watch, all kinds of shit. Chicken, barbecue chicken, the spiced rub barbecue chicken, really tasty. Really like it. You got the cake lady for birthdays. Now this place is right here. This little street is crazy. People just go across without looking. They don't care. This lady even is cheaper sometimes. We'll see what her pricing is, if they're even open. Sometimes these places go out of business. We'll see if this pharmaceutical place made it, this pharmacy. Let's see. Oh, she's open. Cool. Good, good. Get one more box. $12 for 28 is not a bad deal. Xin chào. Nexium 40 milligram. Nexium 40 milligram. Bun. 4 is bun. I don't know 40 though. How much is one box? For the whole box? 28 times 12. 326. Okay, a little bit more expensive, but that's fine. Okay, mocha. Just mocha. A little over 12 bucks. Not bad. I might have... I don't change. Okay, come on now. Calm. Come on.
Yeah, hello.
I like how people like to rip into me that I don't know Viet. I know quite a bit more than what you would all like to troll me on. I usually surprise Viets every day with my basic knowledge of their language. Oh, it's fixing to rain, boys and girls. That is the wind of rain. So we're probably gonna be wrapping the moto vlog. I don't know if I'll make it to the grocery store. Oh, that was very successful. We got one box at a good price and then one at a little bit more than what you would normally, but you know, COVID. And that's all AstraZeneca, real deal, Nexium. That's also why the Vietnam government wants the AstraZeneca vaccine. If you didn't know, now you do. I like to see the light. Oh, it's just yellow. Okay, so you just kind of go at your own discretion. Cities on the vlog today. So yeah, that's why they want the AstraZeneca vaccine, because that's what a lot of their medicine is. So it's like their trusted brand, if you get what I'm saying. It's a quick trip back home. That's the defunct, I think that was going to be a hotel too, I forget which one. I forget what this was going to be, but someone will buy it and someone will do something with it. I don't know why they haven't already. But it's weird how that shit happens here all the time. Land rights. The bridge is back on to construction. Probably going to finish early next year now instead of end of this year. From the week or two delay it had, 3-week delay. The park they're redoing, and for some odd reason they're removing all the trees, like 176 trees, which I was like, that doesn't make any sense. Drop. A dog? A girl? On an S1000. Okay, I see you. So Andy's going fast. Props to him, man. Props to him. Taking it to the streets. Taking it to the streets. And he's way up there. Hey man, I guess he's gotta, you know, get the dog and the woman home. I think we can wrap up the vlog. Yeah, I just need to go to the grocery store now, so let's wrap it up, put the camera away. Alright guys, as ever, I thank you for watching my videos. You guys are fucking rock stars. Thank you for supporting the channel. You know, thank you to the fan club for posting me for more exposure. Shout out to the Discord if you want to chat with a bunch of us on Discord. The link's on there. I'm in there all the time. Me and a bunch of people are always chatting. Feel free to join it. Yeah, that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace out.